How to fix this change requires you to restart your device. LSA error in Windows 11. 1. Update Windows 11. 2. Configure LSA using Local Group Policy Editor. To do so, enabled with UEFI lock at Computer Configuration Administrative Templates System Local Security Authority Configure LSAS in pedite.msc. 3. Modify Registry Entry. Values. To do this, set 2 to both RunAsPPL and RunAsPPLBoot at computer /HKey_local_machine/system/CurrentControlSet/control/LSA in Registry Editor. Reboot your PC later. 4. Run SFC and DISM scans. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan healthdism/online/cleanupimage/check healthdism/online/cleanupimage/restore health.